doing?
This is Santa's grotto and it's still very busy.
You like the tree? So it's saying Sheffield on it.
This is Fat Santa.
Fat Santa? Go there then. Go on, you going Santa's grotto? Oh, there's Santa up there. Oh, you have to queue from this point. There's a big queue.
There isn't.
There's a massive queue. There's two in front of me. Two people. You want to go? It's £5.
No, nobody's there.
You want to go see Santa?
Nobody's here.
You want to see Santa? Come on then.
Nobody's here.
Come on then. Go. Go, Eliza. What? Are you taking me? Come on. There's Santa's got. Got a ticket? Wait, he's gonna be here. Go. Sit on the chair. Oh, professional photography only. Professional photography only. Doesn't matter. Oh, he moved. Oh, you can't take your own photos. You can't take photos. Entrance. Are you naughty or nice? Eliza, you naughty or nice? Did you like Santa, visiting Santa? What you got? Show the toy you got. You got a unicorn. Yeah. Come here. So that's Santa's grotto. £5. £4 for a photo. And you get a toy. I think the toy's worth at least £2. £2 toy. Did you like visiting Santa? You want to go on a ride?
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. yet for all lang syne.